If the TikTok story option is not showing, start by ensuring your app is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and update the app if a newer version is available. Features like stories may not appear in older versions of the app. Next, check if the story feature is available in your region. TikTok often rolls out features gradually, so it's possible that stories haven't been enabled in your location yet. If your app is updated and the feature should be available, try clearing TikTok cache. Go to your phone settings, then apps, app management, find TikTok and tap on it. Under storage, tap clear cache. Reopen the app and see if the story option appears. Log out of TikTok and log back in. This can refresh your account and fix any temporary glitches that might be hiding your story option. If none of these steps work, uninstall and reinstall TikTok from the Google Play Store. A fresh installation can resolve most app issues. And that's it. Hopefully, the story option is now visible. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips.